video again, and I'm so excited because I got my slime package. I'm surprised it came in a week. So yeah, so I ordered from slimemaster.com. So make sure you go order from her. But if you like the slime, that can order from her. Okay, so let's get into the video. Let me go get my slime package. Okay guys, I'm back and apparently I got it in a bag, but that's very stupid. So let me open it up. Got to get the knot out, okay? Okay, so first thing I pull out is the note. So let me open my note. Okay, so you can read it. Slime orders. Slime orders. Big green slime, $20. Pink fluffy slime, $9. Yellow big slime, $30. And yellow blue slime, small blue slime, $5. Total is $64. Some extras. A pen, tattoo, candy, lots of Pokemon cards, and glitter. Always order here at slimemaster.com. No refund. Okay. The no refund part was kind of weird, but okay, let's get into the video. Even though that was weird. Okay, so the thing that I pull out is extras. I got extras, and it's cool that it looks ugly, but I like the container. It could be good for slime. Is there anything else in here? Oh wait, the container cap part came off, but that's fine. So this is my candy. It looks like it's been opened. I'm gonna see if it even works. It's empty. What the heck? This is not going good so far, guys. A pen. Let's see if it works. It doesn't even work, right? And it's broken. What the heck? This is so bad. Yes, the locked Pokemon. They're waiting for Pokemon. What the heck? They're all stuck together and slimy. And they only got 10 points. What the heck? Ew. This is not going good so far. Let me put it with this. This was my Pokemon collection. Ew. But that was a... Ooh, tattoo. I've been waiting for this. Ew. It's a tattoo. I like the tattoo, but the paper's coming off and it's all wet. Ew, that is so bad. My glitter, it's half used. Not even half. And this isn't even glitter. Oh my gosh, bro. Guess I'm supposed to put that in my slime? Okay, let me get to my slime. I hope this is good. So, get my thing first. So, let me look for the big green slime. What the heck? Big green slime. If you guys could read it. Wait. Bro, you can't see it, but it says big green slime. This is, ew, this isn't even big or green. And I spent $20 for this. Ew, it's so wet. Let me stretch challenge. Ew, this is bad. Ew, well, I'm gonna stop playing with that. Ew, I hope my other slimes are good. Pink, let me look for my, grab one out. This is pink fluffy slime. I've been waiting for this pink fluffy slime. We'll open it. Sorry. Ew. Ew. Sticky. not pink. It's blue. And this, I didn't ask for glitter or beads in it. And it's not fluffy at all. It's really, ew, it's getting all over my hands. Ew, I gotta get this off of me. Maybe I could add the glitter to this. I'm gonna try, see what happens if I add the fake glitter to it. Ugh. Let me put this in there. Ew. It seems so nasty. Ew. It's making it feel bad. Ew. Ew, I don't like it. But it smells good.
Thank you, baby.
Mom, the slime is bad. Gosh. Okay, I hope this one's good. Yellow, big slime. I was in waiting for $40. What the heck? This is not big, and I said, ew, it's wet. And this is not yellow or big. Ew, it's all wet. It's $30. It's gray. The heck? Stretch content. Stretch challenge. I mean, it's pretty stretchy, but it's wet. Ew, this is the best. I mean, if you guys ever want to order from Slime Master, please, I suggest you not, because cursed slimes are bad. Let me go look at it anyway. My last slime is small blue slime, $5. This is not good, because I need that small blue slime for my baby brother. Ew, this isn't small. And this isn't even blue. Ew. Gotta check the stretch challenge. It's not even stretchy. What the heck? Ew. It doesn't even poke.
Make sure you're okay.
Hey, Mom. Ew, Mom, slime practice is bad. You spent half of your money on this. That was it. There's nothing else in the bag. My gosh, no wonder it said no refund. Hey, this makes me so mad. Hate this. Bad. Hate you. And this stupid. I'm gonna tell my mom to call her. I'm gonna tell my mom to call her. Bye, guys. This did not go so well.